Greeting friends, a warm welcome from Brand CAI. My name is Kashish Khanna and I am from third year CAI. When I was asked to choose a theme for my food presentation, I thought the theme should be powerful. So I thought to myself that what can be the most powerful thing of all? So obviously it's God. So I thought that let's present food of the gods. So my theme for today is Ambrosia, which is the food of the god. From my childhood, I was really interested in Greek mythology. So I thought to myself, why not Greek? So it all starts with god Kronos. Kronos had three sons, god Zeus, god Hades and god Poseidon. So the concept of Ambrosia starts with the birth of god Zeus. So now I'm going to start with my props. So the first thing we have here, it is called Horn of Amalthea. It's a really famous monument in Greece. It represents goat which used to carry ambrosia for god Zeus when he was a baby. Next we have an eagle. So an eagle used to carry nectarine. It was considered that ambrosia plus nectarine gives immortality to the person. So here it goes. Next we have the hands of god Zeus. As the concept was started with its birth. Thank you.
Thank you.
Greeting friends, my name is Kashish Khanna. I am from third year branch CAI. So now I needed something to go well with my theme. So I thought to myself that what is the food that can make a person immortal. So my meat for today is lamb, which is glazed with honey. So my dish name is honey glazed bacon wrapped lamb loin with Madeira sauce, minted green peas, asparagus, wild mushroom cassoulet. So here I have added two more props. This represents the honey pot and that represents the god used to have wine with the foods.